knee and shoulder surgeon. Today we will discuss about what are the most common knee injuries. So in athletes, what we usually see is number one, anterior thigh pain. When the tracking of this patellar bone is very difficult, it gives rise to pain along the quadriceps and anterior part of the knee. Secondly, when an athlete suffers a twisting injury or a hyperextension injury, that is the time when they develop injuries to the meniscus. So this is the second injury, which is meniscus injury, and third injury, which is usually seen along with it, is a ACL ligament tear. So these are the most common type of injuries seen in the athletes. To know more about other injuries, watch and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.